Hi everyone, today I am going to demonstrate how to install DBeaver in your system and connect it with your database. So what is DBeaver? Uh, DBeaver is a SQL client software application and a database administration tool. For relational database, it uses the JDBC API to interact with database via JDBC driver. For other NoSQL database, it uses proprietary database drivers. It provides an editor that supports autocomplete and syntax highlighting. This is a desktop application written in Java and based on Eclipse platform. So here are the few features of DBeaver like SQL queries execution. It provides SQL queries execution and data browser editor with a huge number of features, syntax highlighting and SQL auto completion, SQL script management, DDL generation, import export and backup of data, and mock data generation for database testing. So now we are going to install DBeaver in our system. First type here DBeaver download. Download. Click on this first link. So here is two option is there. One is DBeaver community and second is DBeaver Pro. So we are going to install here DBeaver community. So click on window installer. Then now the .exe file is downloading. It is around 102 MB. Now the download is completed and now we are going to install this. So double click on this .exe file. Installation is very simple. Just you need to click on next button, then I agree, next, 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 and install. Then click on finish. Now open it. It will take some time. So now our DBeaver interface is open. It is a desktop application like Eclipse and other desktop application. So here our first task is connect this DBeaver with our MySQL database. So for this click on database and new database connection. Choose MySQL here, then next. Here server host. So MySQL DB is installed in my local system. So here I am giving the local host, and if in your case your database is installed in any remote server, so you can pass your URL here and port number and database. So here you can give any name of your database. So I am giving my SQL, and pass your password here, and the important task is now we need to connect our MySQL with DBeaver. So for this we need a driver. So click on edit driver setting and go to library, and here we need to add our driver. So click on add file. You need to download driver which is compatible with your MySQL version, and choose that driver and open. So here first default one is also there, so we need to delete it. Delete this, and find class. So here choose this first one, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Click on OK, and then test connection. Here now our DBeaver is connected with our MySQL database. It is written connected. So click on OK and finish. So inside database you can see our all database we can see here. So first database is assignment, so and this feedback table is there, and you can also write your query on DBeaver, like all DML and DDL and all query you can write. So for this click on SQL, then one query browser is open, and now start your SQL script, like select star from assignment dot feedback table, and for executing this query you need to click on this symbol. So here you can see all the data of this feedback table is shown here below, and this is you can write over here any database query like insert, update and select also. So now write one insert query. So insert into assignment dot feedback, and here name, email, mobile and feedback. And give the value for this column, like first name column, Rohit, and email, and mobile number you can pass here. And in feedback I'm writing and click on this execute icon. So updated row 1, it means one row is updated. So let us check. Now you can see here one new row is added in our feedback table. So in this way you can connect our DBeaver with MySQL database. Thanks for watching this video.